When it comes to mental toughness, the Spartans have often been hailed as some of the toughest people to have ever lived on the face of this planet. In the book Spartan Up, Joe DeSena, the founder of Spartan Race, breaks down the reasons why Spartans were so tough. As Joe DeSena says, one of the reasons for the Spartans' mental toughness was their ability to take the cookie later. Take the cookie later is a metaphor for delaying gratification in life. If there's a cookie in front of you, don't eat it now. Take it later. Not now. Later. So when do you get the cookie if you're a Spartan? Well, never, because you always take the cookie later. Get it? In the Spartan world, gratification must be delayed in order to become a true Spartan. Notice that it is a must. Delaying gratification is an absolute requirement for becoming mentally indestructible like the Spartans. And the same holds true for us. If we want to become mentally indestructible in life, we must train ourselves to delay gratification and take the cookie later. Now the question is there any scientific proof that the Spartan approach of delaying gratification and taking the cookie later, if this approach makes you more successful in life? Well, let's examine. In the book Emotional Intelligence, Daniel Goleman talks about a research study in 1960s called the Marshmallow Test, which was headed by Walter Mischel at Stanford University. Here's how it went. The researchers got a group of 4-year-old kids, and each kid was offered a marshmallow. However, the kids were also told, if you do not eat this marshmallow for 20 minutes, we will give you another marshmallow. Now, as anticipated, some kids could not delay gratification and ate the first marshmallow given to them, while other kids did not eat the first marshmallow for 20 minutes. They waited till the researchers brought them the second marshmallow. So the researchers followed these kids for another 14 years to see how they fared in life. They compared the SAT scores of the kids who ate the first marshmallow compared to those kids who waited for 20 minutes. Now, what they saw in their SAT scores was truly amazing. Those kids who could not wait for the second marshmallow, their average scores were 1,052. While those kids who waited for the second marshmallow for 20 minutes, their average SAT scores were 1,262. That's a difference of 210 points, almost 20%. Now, they followed these kids even further in life to find that the kids who had delayed eating that marshmallow had lower divorce rates and higher incomes. Not only that, they were more confident, more self-reliant, and able to embrace pressure and life's challenges better. On the other hand, kids who could not delay gratification were easily frustrated, they were indecisive, they were disorganized, and had poorer social skills. So, this research proves a very powerful point. Now, as you can see, the Spartans had figured out something very fundamental that was proved by research 2,000 years later. The Spartans had figured out that developing that ability to take the cookie later, developing that ability to delay gratification was crucial to living a great life. So whether it is about taking the cookie later or about taking the marshmallow later, we must develop the ability to delay gratification if we want to become mentally indestructible like the Spartans. Now, if you want to become a Spartan, here is a simple exercise for you. Step 1. Today, right now, make a comprehensive list of everything in your life that is your cookie, that you must delay gratification on. For example, watching the TV show, mindlessly browsing social media, constantly checking your phone, eating junk food, eating desserts, checking emails throughout the day, checking your phone before doing your morning routine. These are all examples of things that you should delay gratification on. These are all your cookies. Okay, step 2. Every day, decide to delay gratification on one of these things. Be very clear on what you will delay gratification on that day. Be clear on which cookie you are deciding to take later. And step 3. Now, this is only if you truly want to become mentally indestructible like the Spartans. I have a challenge for you. It's called the 7 Days to Construct an Indestructible Mind Challenge. In the challenge, every day for the next 7 days, I will give you one new mental toughness strategy. And that mental toughness strategy will be accompanied by a mental toughness challenge that you must undertake that day in order to become mentally indestructible. So if you accept the challenge, head on over to 2000books.com/indestructible. The link is also in the description below.